Morning team, welcome back to the channel, and today's got a big day. Now, years ago, I bought a Ford Focus ST170. It was a 03 plate, and it was 2 years old, I think, or year old. Very proud of that car. It's the newest car I ever had. It went really well, it handled really well. I had it for a year, 2 years possibly, and I had to sell it because we were moving house, we needed extra money. I think the finance is like £300 a month. And I've always thought I'd like to get another one. And watching other car videos on YouTube, a lot of people buy the ST170 and they take the engine out and put it in a Fiesta or an Escort. So I wanted to save one as well. Now, when Ford made them, they only made them for a few years. They produced and sold, I think, 14,000 cars. According to, what's it called, On the Road?
How many left?
How many left? I think there are 1,300 left taxed on the road. Anyway, we've been looking for them for ages, and we think we found the right one. May I introduce you to our slightly rough Ford Focus ST170. I know, annoying her, that's going, as is this. So this is a 2002. It's done 147,000 miles. No MOT, no service history, but we did do a car vertical check. We're not sponsored. Obviously, we're well prepared and did advance. No, we did it on the way down to pick the car up. But let me walk you around. Things that need doing. The bonnet. There's a few little chips as well. Headlights. Need a cover for there. Oh yes, but they work. Get rid of that monstrosity. The wing, for some reason, is all rusted up here. And tow and eye cover, and we've got ecosystem. And the wiper blades are shagged. Oh, look at this for a bit of bling. Oh no, is that carbon fibre under there or something? Anyway, they're awful, they're going. The window doesn't go up and down, and it falls. It falls down, so we've got bodge tape holding it up. No. The wheels need doing. The discs aren't lit, but they need a good Italian tune-up. Now, the biggest monstrosity. What in God's name is this? When you put the brake lights on, it says Focus ST. No. Apart from that, he's pretty straight. He drives very well. He stops, starts and goes, like Mike Brewer said. We've had a bit of repairs down here, I think. But that's okay. This is going to be a car. It's not going to be concours. It's not going to be immaculate. It's going to be our daily. It's a 3-door. The last MOT in 2023, all it had as an advisory was brake pipes might be covered in grease or corroded, but not unsafe. A few years before that, it said the subframe, because the subframes do go on these. I'm not sure if it's been done. It looks all right underneath. But let's have a look inside. Oh, might be the other one. I haven't got 2 keys and a V5. That one works. Are you ready? And it has been slightly cleaned by us. Lots to do. This. But it has got the ST dash with the extra oil instruments. 6-speed gearbox, gear knob could be doing with something doing to it. The stereo, the JVC, has got DAB. Get us. And we've got a whip here. That's going to be sorted today, hopefully. And we've got a little fag burn. Sorry, cigarette burn. I don't want to upset my gay friends. Thank you. In the back, we've got cobwebs. We've got mould. We've got dirt. Headline's good though. Just needs a good goddamn clean, which is what we're going to do right now. Look at this crustiness. We might order a new one of those, I think, but we'll clean it out for the time being. Now, does he start? All the warning lights. Wait, here we go. good oil pressure, and we got that's your oil temperature. But say 147,000 miles. All the MOTs add up, and it sounds there's a bad boy exhaust on it. We need a cover for the clutch pedal. It needs a good spruce up, which we're going to do today. It's lovely to have an ST back. Hopefully this will become our daily, and there's more content to come on the Range Rover and Burt. Close the door, I shall move it up, and we'll get it set up to clean it.
Well, so you tried both keys, haven't you?
No, Emma. So it's one. Come on. I will try both keys. Ah! Oh, thank God. Now, this is the heart.
Can I get a handshake? Because when I say you try both keys, no, Emma, I told you it was the other key.
This is the beating heart of the Ford Focus ST170. Looking a bit mingy, but it's going to be all right. Oh, I should check the terminals. There she is. This has also been painted. This can all be done. But everything's there. Everything works.
That's the aircon. A nice monster. Some dead spiders.
Yeah,
I've just
we've
realised.
got the cover for this.
Yeah, we do.
Quick TFR. Then we're going to rinse it. Then we're going to snow foam it. Not too worried about the bonnet. The bonnet's going to have to be repainted. We've ordered lots of bits to come, hopefully just get through its MOT. We've also bought a few bits to jazz it up a bit and get rid of some of these modded monstrosities. Here we go!
That is really, really dirty water.
Where we're up to the minute, it's been rinsed, it's been TFR'd, it's been snow foamed, and it's been rinsed again. Now we're going to do a hand wash or a brush wash. Oh, this is our other daily. This is a Ford New Holland 5030. Great for popping to the shops. Lovely air conditioning.
Oh, what have you discovered
There's
underneath
paint.
the grime? There's paint under the
There's
grime.
paint, it's grey.
Wow.
The front bonnet will need respraying,
Yeah.
and the wing wheel.
Okay.
Apart from that, we could do, I might have got to do that myself.
Yeah.
It's weird, it's all gone here.
Yeah.
But we shall do that. They're all rounded off.
Oh, that's going to be fun. How do we get those out then?
Bigger screwdriver. Nope. Drill it out. Now we can put these pair of mould grips. It's melted out a bit, I think. But it might be alright. Woohoo, baby! That is the original Ford one. No, we'll do is
clean it up a bit.
No, clean up. What's the first horrendousness off? Yes!
Lovely.
Looks loads better. Right, we've got to change the rear offside indicator bulb. In order to do that, it's a little T25 that comes out of here. And also, if you come under here, there's a little plastic nut that you okay. That's it. So it's a nut, and you turn it around there. And so that's why this is off. Oh!
Oh!
There we go. I could do a little wipe off, that's what it was for you.
Definitely could.
Now, I think that is the... That must be the one there. So... You one of those bad boys. Might just be a loose connection. Loose connection!
Oh, hold on. Yeah, we're flashing. Yeah, that's it.
And the fixed it with the bulb loose.
Oh!
That's a check. Yes. 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 He wants to live. All indicators working.
Brilliant.
Just needed reseating, that was all. Can I give it a quick wipe?
Yeah.
Right, so I just put the bulb back in. It seems to work all right. So, right, red bit check, ready?
Yeah, ready. Yay! Oh, I know one thing we didn't check. I never checked the number plate lights when we were walking around the car.
All right. Hang on.
Yeah, both.
Good.
Lovely. What you doing?
I'm going to mop the lights.
Okay, so using these things, this is what they look like in the sun. Pretty opaque, I would call that.
Yeah. We're going to use...
Stuff.
Yeah, that's the fine stuff, I think. Yeah, so use this stuff.
So, preliminary, lovely word for me to say. Yeah, we can actually see into those now.
They're better than they were.
They are better than they were.
Properly.
Yeah. Anyway, let's give this a go. So, I've got my little detailing kit with all my bits and bobbers, and now I'm going to do the side of the car. See what it looks like in a bit. It's time to clean. Giving this a bit of a clean. It's definitely better. It's not perfect, but it's a hell of a lot better than it was 6 hours ago. So, jobs for M's. Sort out that. Got some leather balm nourishness to put on there. Just to sew that up. Repair that. Definitely need a new one of those. I've got some good stuff that I can get this up really, really well with. I think that is it for today. Trim said, clean aerial and stuff. The plastic came off, but it's not covered in algae anymore. So, yeah. Do you want any kind of halfway point message?
This is the first day on fixing the ST. Sorry about the wind. It's really windy, funny enough. He's had a good clean inside and out. Taking the ST badge off, taking the awful badge off the back light, and a really good clean inside. Fix the seats, they're working properly now. Fix the indicator. Just clean the lights quickly to see if they come up with a quick buff. But I've left these proper kit. That light's working now, the main light, and the other indicator's working now. And so yeah, a good day. A good day.
That's
well
a pretty
done,
good day.
you for cleaning. He's looking better.
He is looking better. Still haven't got a name for it yet, so saving the ST. Look at him glinting. There you go, a little glint. Perfect-ish.
Look at, why are you getting close? Anyway, you can cut a bit out. Or keep it in. Just don't keep coming forward, please. Anyway, I bought a 03 Ford Focus ST170.
I've just realised that... just opposite.
Oh, God's sake. Just like getting annoyed. I want to get on and do stuff.
Yeah, I know you do.
Hang on, which one is it? This one. I'm glad that opposite lever works.
The one not on the green thing.
Yeah, I know. Fucking well
You
done.
just said which one is it?
No, where is it? Right, what do you want? This is the first day on fixing the ST.
Can you go to that?
Needy.
That's better. Yeah.
Cut, I'm smoke. I don't smoke.
Okay, bye.